Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing one of my go-to comfort dishes, oven steamed ginger scallion fish fillet. It's light, healthy, and full of flavor. And the best part is, you don't even need a steamer to make it. I'll show you how easy it is to get that delicate restaurant-style texture right from your oven. Let's get started. First, let's prep our scallions. Cut about 4 stalks into 1-inch pieces and discard the roots. Next, take 2 more scallions and slice them thinly. Don't forget to remove the roots as well. Now let's prep the ginger. Peel it first, then cut half into small cubes and julienne the other half. Next, peel and slice the garlic cloves, nice and thin so they cook evenly. Now it's time to start building the base of our dish. Add the scallions you cut into 1-inch pieces to a roasting pan. Then toss in the cubed ginger and sliced garlic. Next, grab a sheet of aluminum foil and fold it in half. Use it to cover the base of the roasting pan, leaving about 1 inch of space uncovered at the top. Then do the same with another sheet of foil. Fold it in half and cover the other side of the pan, leaving about 1 inch of space at the bottom. Next, lightly grease the foil with baking spray or brush it with a bit of cooking oil to prevent the fish from sticking. Now let's prep the fish fillets. Go ahead and cut them in half so they fit nicely in the pan. Next, arrange the fish fillets in a single layer over the foil in your roasting pan. Now let's prep the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together 9 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Next, pour the sauce over the fish, making sure it sips into the spaces you left at the top and bottom of the roasting pan. Then, cover the roasting pan tightly with foil to lock in all that steam and flavor. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle rack for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the fish is done, let it rest covered with foil to keep it warm. Now, let's make the ginger oil. Heat about 6 tablespoons of oil in a pan. then add the julienne ginger. Fry until it turns golden brown. Be careful not to burn it. Now add the thinly sliced scallions on top of the fish, then carefully pour the hot oil with fried ginger all over. The heat from the oil will lightly cook the scallions and bring out that amazing aroma. Drain the sauce from the roasting pan and make sure to press down on the sieve to get all those flavorful juices out. Finally, pour the sauce all over the fish. It smells amazing. Save the extra sauce on the side to drizzle over some hot rice too. And that's it, our oven steamed ginger scallion fish fillet. It's tender, flavorful, and pairs perfectly with a bowl of hot rice. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's simple, healthy, and so satisfying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.